Mithako ino ya World Cup ni tukenete muno tondu yukite Murang'a for the first time na no nyende muno youthi aingi maingire muthako-ini uyu mahote guthaka nigio mone mawira to Kenya nginya mabururi manja.
I come from United States and this is my first time here in Kenya. So far I think it's a great place for an event. It's really accessible for us as the judges. It's easy to organize us and the timing service as well.
Ukete guku nigetha tukungwire ma champions a Kenya. Turi guku na different countries. It's actually a huge competition. Kuna mabururi 32 mare represented guku.
The best in Kenya na try expect to win gold na we are very happy to rekenu mathako ni mega muno nturageria muno gwika the best.